may be wondering how long your essential oils will last for. There's two aspects to that. First, we'll look at the shelf life for essential oils. The great news about therapeutic grade essential oils is they have a very, very long shelf life. Remember those essential oils I mentioned they found in King Tutankhamun's tomb? They tested those oils and found them to be as medicinally potent and viable today as they were back then. So when an essential oil is pure therapeutic grade, it will have a very long shelf life. There are two exceptions to that. For citrus oils, because they are cold pressed from the peel of the citrus fruit, so it's a different means of distillation for the essential oil, they have a shorter shelf life of about 2 years. And when an essential oil is taken and combined with a vegetable carrier oil, because the vegetable carrier oil itself can go rancid, when we mix an essential oil with one of those veggie carrier oils, the shelf life is then about 2 years as well. Otherwise, for all of the other therapeutic grade essential oils, they will last for years and years and years. So that's looking at the shelf life. Now, how about how long will your bottle of essential oil last for? Well, that depends on a few factors. First, the size of the bottle that you have and how often you use the essential oil, of course. So if you have the 5 milliliter bottles that come with the Everyday Oils collection, there's about 80 to 100 drops of essential oil in each of those bottles. So when you consider that for most of the time you're using 1 or 2 drops of essential oils at a time per application, you're going to get a lot of use out of that bottle. So if you had 1 drop that you used at the time, that's 100 uses, 100 times you'd be able to use that. Or if you use 2 drops at a time, that's 50 times you'd get to use that bottle. If you have a 15 milliliter size bottle, that has about 300 drops of essential oil inside. So obviously you'll be able to use that many, many more times.